Mo's been in the truck, ouch, for 2 hours, 3 hours, while we went and picked up our new trailer, our new tractor. We got a Massey Fergurson 2012 84 horsepower tractor with a grapnel and a bush hog and a loader bucket. So brought it back from Alabama. We're gonna unload it. Shoot, I can't even get the chain off. This thing is heavy. Something to prop it up. That's a good start. Got the chain off. One. Two. So let's see if we can get it off. Now that's a cool tractor. I clotheslined myself. Cool in here. Well, do you like it?
I mean, I think so. You?
Yeah.
It's got everything we need, I think. Looks big, doesn't it?
It's huge. It's so spacious in here.
Yeah, it's nice in there. Air conditioning works nice.
Ooh, yeah.
Yep, a little weird, a little strange. Yep, you put it on that. We barely got it on the trailer. Right here for tonight. Take the trailer over and undo it, and then come this house tomorrow. I brought a hay bale, but I forgot that was under there. Kind of ran over that, huh?
You excited to finally have a grapnel on this thing?
Yeah. The light came out again. Look at that. Yeah, look at that grapnel, huh?
That's nice.
And the bucket and everything. This is heavy duty stuff right there. It's big. That's good. The guy was really cool. It was really nice. Sat and yacked with him for a while. I got almost to Cedar Town, and I realized that I looked in the mirror and that was sitting like this. And I went, that was weird. And I looked at this one, it was sitting like this. I pulled over the side of the road. There's nothing holding those pins in. The pins had almost slid out. They slid out of this side. They were heading that way. So I stopped at Tractor Supply and got hose clamps to stop them from
That
moving.
would not have been good.
No, the clamp never would have fallen off. Let's see if I can. Yep, that was a long trip home. No spare tire. I'm going, oh man, this is not good. But we made it.
Mom, you gotta see this tractor. Inside of it is as big as like a New York studio apartment. It's so spacious.
Cool. Is it like, does it come with a disco ball?
It should. If not, we should install one. So Dad just got a new tractor and he's trying to figure out how the grapnel works, and this is hysterical. I got a big one there. He can't grab anything with it. Oh, Mo. What do you think, Mo? Hey, he got a little bit. Look at him go. Careful, that's a steep hill.